today's video, I'll be creating this look what you see here using all the products from Elf Cosmetics. Elf Cosmetics launched in India sometime back, like couple of months back. They launched in India. I was very excited when I got to know that Elf is launching in India because Elf is a really good brand. It's a very affordable brand, so very affordable drugstore brand in the US. But sadly, when they launched on Nykaa in India, the prices of all the products are too much, like they are very expensive in India on Nykaa. But still, I got a lot of product from them. Like I got these products from Elf Cosmetics. जो डब्बा है वो शुगर का है, but the products are from Elf Cosmetics. I got full face of makeup. इनमें से कुछ ऐसे products हैं जो मेरे पास already थे, and I have already used those products. And there are few products which I purchased when this launched on Nykaa. So I'll give you first impression on all the products which are new to me, and I'll give you a review on other products which I've already tried, and I'll be creating this look in today's video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. I've already done my skincare. I will just apply moisturizer, and for that I'm using this one. This is a face base from Bobbi Brown. I'll let this moisturizer sit for some time, or tab tak I'll do my eyebrows, and for that I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Elf. This is their ultra precise brow pencil, and I got this one in the shade Natural Brown. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. Okay, so this brow pencil retails for 700 rupees. I don't remember spending that much money on the brow pencil. Maybe I did, I'm not sure. And this one comes in 4 different shades. As I already told you, I got the shade Neutral Brown. And yeah, there are total 4 shades, and you get 0.05 gram of product in this eyebrow pencil. This is a very expensive product. I seriously don't remember paying this much for this eyebrow pencil. Maybe there was some offer on it. I bought it. I bought this eyebrow pencil, separately. Yeah, so there was 20% off on this eyebrow pencil when I bought it. I paid 560 rupees for this one. So now let's use this pencil. So this is the first time I'm trying this pencil. I've never used it before. I'm even opening it for the first time. So this is how this eyebrow pencil looks like. It's a very precise pencil. You get a very fine pencil in this eyebrow pencil, and you get this spoolie as well on the other side. So this is the spoolie you get. I'll first line my eyebrows using this, and then I'll fill in my eyebrows. So this eyebrow pencil is nicely pigmented. It is not too pigmented, which is a very good thing, but it has a decent pigmentation. It has a good pigmentation, and it's not too waxy or creamy, which is again a good thing because अगर आपका eyebrow product बहुत ज़्यादा creamy होता है तो काफ़ी जल्दी smudge हो जाता है. तो this is a very good thing about the pencil. Now the color of this pencil doesn't match my eyebrows properly. It is still looking good, but it's a little too brown for me. The spoolie also is really good. काफ़ी precise है, ये भी काफ़ी size में small है, and जो bristles हैं वो भी harsh नहीं है. By the way, because of this precise pencil, it's very easy to fill in the eyebrows. You can easily create those brow-like stroke with this eyebrow pencil. Yeah, I like this eyebrow product overall, just that the color doesn't match me perfectly, but still I can work with it. Now I'll quickly clean my eyebrows and come back. मेरा moisturizer अच्छे से set हो गया है. Now let's start with the face makeup. Now to prime my face, I'm using this primer from Elf. It's their Poreless Putty Primer. I have this primer from quite some time. I got this from US, and on Nykaa it retails for 1100 rupees, which is too much again. I think this one retails for $8 or $9 or something in the US, but here it retails for 1100 rupees, and you get 21 gram of product in this. This is a very very famous primer. It is supposed to be some dupe of some very high-end primer, I guess Tatcha. Yeah, I have not used that primer, but I have heard that this is a dupe for that primer. And now let's use this. By the way, there are 3 variants available in this primer. So this one is a poreless one. So actually one thing, the search for this ELF product on Nykaa is very bad. Yeah, so I was telling that there are 3 variants available of putty primer on Nykaa. Like, so there is one mattifying putty primer, and then there is this one poreless one, and the third one is luminous putty primer. I suppose matte one is for mattifying your face, luminous one is to give a luminous finish, and this one is a poreless putty primer. So let's use this. So this one looks like this, so it has this kind of texture. So I'm taking this primer. So first I'm applying it on my T-zone, and then yeah, we'll see if we need more. So this product is not new to me, as I already told you. I have used it multiple times and it's a really good primer. I'm taking a little bit more and I'll apply it on the rest of my face. I'm taking a little bit of primer and applying on my smile lines because my foundation generally crease in my smile lines. This primer is actually really good. I don't see much difference in my pores. Like, it fills your pores but not like it makes them invisible, but it does a really good job. But the makeup applies really well on this and it stays also for a good amount of time, and it doesn't make your face look very dry. Like you can see, I have this very nice luminous finish on my face, so it doesn't mattify your face, so it doesn't make it look flat or dry or anything. So yeah, that's why I really like this primer. Now for foundation, I have this foundation from ELF. It's their Flawless Satin Foundation. So this foundation comes in this glass bottle with this black cap, and you get a pump with this foundation, which is a good thing. Let me see how much it retails for. I guess this one retails for 800 rupees. So when ELF launched, they had this buy 2 get 1 free offer, so I used that offer very intelligently. So I placed an order for 3 products, each worth rupees 800. So I saved 800 rupees and I got 3 products for 1600. So that's how I placed my order. So let me see exactly. I think it retails for 800, but let me check. Yes, this one retails for 800 rupees and you get 17 shades in this foundation. And you get 20 ml of product, which is less. Generally you get 30 ml of product and foundations, but in this one you are getting 20 ml, and again it's very expensive for Nykaa. I think this doesn't cost much in the US. Okay, so the shade which I got is Sand, 300 Sand, and I swatched this shade and I think this shade is dark for me. Also, I faced one more problem with this foundation. So when I got this, the oil in this foundation was separating, and I think I'm not sure whether it has gone bad or something, because it is supposed to be new. So the manufacturing date of this foundation is January 20 only, so it is supposed to be new, but when I received it, the oil was separating. Abhi thoda sa settle ho gaya ye, like if you see, I'm not sure whether you can see it or not, but abhi ye thoda sa settle ho gaya hai. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है देख के कि अभी oil separate हो रहा है, but I'm little bit scared of using this foundation, but let's use it. By the way, I tried to replace this foundation, but there was no option of replacing the foundation. मतलब Nykaa पे ELF की जो product है ना तो आप return कर सकते हैं ना replace कर सकते हैं. That is a very weird thing, and I didn't know when I placed the order for this. When I tried to replace this foundation, then only I got to know that the return policy what Nykaa has, the replacement or return policy is different for ELF. And now again I can see little bit of oil here, like I can feel it. Okay, I'm scared of using this foundation, but yeah, let's use it. So I'm taking the foundation on back of my hand. Yes, I can see that the oil has separated a little bit. So this is how it looks. So this foundation is not very thick and not very runny as well. It's somewhere in between. So I'm using this sponge and I'll directly apply with the sponge only. I hope it doesn't break me out. Okay, so on the face it doesn't look dark. It looks okay. So I'll just apply this foundation on one side of my face and then we'll see how much coverage it gives. It says it's a medium coverage foundation. It doesn't claim that it's a full coverage foundation, but we'll see. Also, I feel it has fragrance in it, not too much, not very overpowering, and nothing which bothers me, but it still has fragrance. So this is how this foundation looks. I have applied only one layer of the foundation and you can see it gives little bit of coverage, not too much. Like, you can easily see these marks peeking through, but yeah, it gives little bit of coverage. Let's apply one more layer and we'll see how much whether we can build it up or not and how much coverage it gives. Okay, so this is how this foundation looks like after 2 layers. I actually didn't apply much foundation, like second layer में बहुत ज़्यादा foundation apply नहीं किया था, and this is how it looks. So yeah, it gives sheer to medium coverage and you can build up the coverage. I don't see it is looking patchy or anything and not looking cakey even after applying kind of 2 layers. But yeah, it doesn't give you full coverage. Now let's apply on the other side. I'll have to take some more. Okay, so this is how this foundation looks like. This is not a matte foundation, it gives you a semi-matte kind of finish, a satin finish, which looks really beautiful on the face. Also, it's very lightweight, it's not feeling heavy at all, and it's not matte as I already told you, so it's not clinging to any dry patches. Like, I have this area of my face is little bit dry nowadays, but it is not clinging to any patches. And yeah, it's looking really beautiful, and the shade also matched me pretty well. I was a little bit scared that it will be dark for me, but it is not. It is looking nice on the face. I feel that it oxidized a little bit, like on my hand I can see it has become a little bit orange, but face पे उतना ज़्यादा अभी तक तो पता नहीं चल रहा है, but we'll see it oxidizes or not. अभी के लिए तो it is looking good. So the finish wise it is good, the coverage wise it gives you medium coverage. You can build up the coverage, but still it will give you medium coverage only. You can't build up it to full coverage, it won't give you full coverage. But even if you apply 2 layers, it won't look cakey, it will still look good. So it's a pretty good foundation. All kind of skin type can use this foundation. And just that it says it's oil free foundation and the oil is separating from this foundation, so I don't know what is the reason behind it, but yeah, overall I like this foundation. So yeah, now let's move on. Now for concealer, I'll be using the famous e.l.f. Camo Concealer. So this is how it looks like. It's a very famous concealer. It is supposed to be a dupe of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You get a very big fat wand with this concealer, very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this concealer also I have used many times before. I got this one from US. Let's see how much it retails for on Nykaa. I think again this one again retails for 800 rupees. Let me quickly check. Yeah, this one also retails for 800 rupees, and there are how many shades? Okay, 18 shades available on Nykaa. I got this one in the shade medium beige. Yes, medium beige. By the way, you get 6 ml of product in this concealer. And yeah, let's apply this concealer. So I'm applying it on these marks. Actually this concealer is little bit dark for me. So I'll need some highlighting concealer on top of this concealer. It's a little bit orange. So I'm only applying it under the eyes and on this marks. I'll blend this using this brush. So you can see this concealer provides full coverage. It's very creamy and thick concealer. It has little bit of orange undertones, so it works really well under the eyes to cover those dark areas. So you can see, right, it has given a really good coverage under the eyes. Just that this is a little dark for me, so I'll have to use some other concealer as highlighting concealer. I can't use this shade as highlighting concealer. So for that I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade light medium. Now if I compare this camo concealer with the Tarte Shape Tape, it's a really good concealer, but it is not this one. It's not Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This concealer is a really good concealer. So this camo concealer from ELF is really good, but it is not Tarte Shape Tape. I'll quickly use this concealer to highlight few areas on my face. Now for powder, I have this powder from ELF. It's their Halo Glow Setting Powder, and I got this one in the shade Light. It says Halo Glow. I hope it's not a illuminating powder. मैंने इसको open करके नहीं देखा अभी तक. Let's see how much it retails for. Again, I think this one also retails for 800 rupees. But let's quickly check. Okay, no, this one retails for 1100 rupees and you get 6.8 gram of product in this. There are two shades available, light and medium. So I got the shade light. So this is how it looks from inside. Okay, so you get this stopper here. I'll take some powder on the lid. I have taken this much only. Now let's apply it. So I'll first apply this powder under my eyes. I'll quickly make sure there are no creases. Apply this powder under my eyes. I take a little extra and I'll just press this under my eyes. I'm not baking as such, just that I take a little bit of extra amount and then push it. I think that works really well for me. Now I'll just dust off the excess product. So I can see this powder is not too finely milled and अच्छे से set कर दिया है. And like I was saying, right, कि I hope that it's not an illuminating powder. It is not. I'll just quickly set rest of my face as well. So I'm just applying the powder on the areas I have applied concealer, not setting the whole face. Also, I see this powder has little bit of coverage, not too much, little bit. Doesn't have a lot of fragrance. It has little bit of fragrance, but बहुत ही mild सी fragrance है, not too much. And yeah, I think it sets the concealer really well, and काफी smooth लग रही है under eyes. Yeah, it sets the concealer really well. Okay, now let's do the eyes first, and then we'll come back to face. Or let's use the bronzer and then we'll do the eye makeup. So I have this bronzer from ELF. It's their primer infused bronzer. So this one retails for 800 rupees. You get 10 gram of product and there are 3 shades available in this. Most of the shades are out of stock. So I got the shade Perpetually Tan. I hope this will work for me. So this is how it looks like. It looks little orange. Like in the pan, it looks little orange. I'm taking it on this brush. The pigmentation is good. It's not highly pigmented, but you can easily build up the coverage. and yeah, it's very easy to blend as well, just that the color is not what I like. So yeah, that was the bronzer. I'm not very happy with the purchase. It looks little muddy on the face because of the color. I don't like my bronzers to be this orange. Now let's do the eyes. Now to prep my eyes, I'm using this eye primer from ELF. It's their Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer in the shade Sheer. There is only one shade available, and this one retails for 400 rupees. I got this from US, and I have used this many times. I generally prime my eyes using this primer only nowadays. So this is how it looks like. It's a good primer to prime your eyes, and जो shadow है वो भी काफी अच्छे से apply होते हैं इसके ऊपर. And as the name suggests, it's very sheer, so it doesn't cover much on the eyes, but it primes the lids really well. I won't set this primer using the powder. I'll directly apply the eyeshadows. Now for eyeshadows, I have this bite-size palette from ELF. It's really very small, like you can see. Yeah, इसका size मेरे हाथ के size से भी छोटा है actually. So this is how it looks like. You get these 4 shades. The packaging is not very good. It's supposed to be very inexpensive palette, but in India this one retails for how much? 600, 400? 400 rupees. Not very expensive. मतलब ठीक है इसका price point, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, but since you are getting only 4 shades and the packaging also is not very good, so yeah, sometimes opening these products can be very annoying. Okay, let's use this palette. Okay, so you get these 4 shades. These 2 shades are matte. This one is a metallic shade, and this one is, I think, a satin shade. I can see a little bit of glitter shimmer in this shade. So let's use this palette. I'll first use this shade. I'll apply this shade all over my eyes. There's a little bit of kickback, not too much. Just of the excess. Now I'll just apply it. Obviously there is no mirror with the palette. इतना सा tiny सा palette है, इसमें क्या ही mirror देंगे. Okay, so the pigmentation is good. It's recently pigmented and blend भी हो जा रहा है अच्छे से. Okay, so this one applies really well. Now I'm taking this again, and now I'll just apply it as a transition shade, like with a very light hand. Next I'm taking this dark brown shade. I'll apply this shade on my outer V's and little bit on my crease to give some dimension to the eye look. Let's use a little smaller brush for this. This is little too big. I'm not able to use this properly in the crease. Okay, so the pigmentation of this shade is also good, and अच्छे से apply भी हो गया है. Not looking patchy or anything. Like dark shade है तो it can be patchy, but अच्छे से apply हो गया है, अच्छे से blend भी हो रहा है, patchy भी नहीं है. And one more thing, there is no fallout. Like there is a little bit of kickback, but not much fallout. काफी अच्छा shade है. It has given really nice dimension to the eyes. You can see, बहुत ही अच्छा shade है ये. Now I'm again taking that light brown shade little bit of that, and I'll just blend these two shades together. And we have this metallic shade. Ooh, it's pigmented. You can see. Okay, let's first use this black shade. I'm taking very little amount of it, and I'll just apply on the outer V's, very little, because it's a very dark shade. Was that a mistake? Okay, so clearly we didn't need that, but since we have applied it, now let's fix the situation. I think what should we do? Let's apply this on the lash line, very close to the lash line. Although I have liner as well, but let's use it. I think it's looking better this way. I'm sorry, I have to keep my mirror very close for this step. Okay, so the eye look I think is looking really good. Now let's do the lower lash line as well. So my under eyes are actually creasing. Looks like the powder has not done a very good job. Let's do the lower lash line. So I'm using this dark color, a dark brown shade, and I'll apply this on the outer part of my lower lash line. Next I'm using this light brown shade, and I'll apply this on the inner lash, lower lash line, inner part of the lower lash line I mean, and blending the dark brown shade with this. Next I'm taking this metallic shade, this silver kind of metallic shade, and I'll apply it on my inner corners. I'll apply it on the inner part of the lids, only in the inner third. Now I'll just blend it with the shade on the lids. I have this liner as well from ELF. It's their Expert Liquid Liner in the shade Jet Black. This one also retails for 400 rupees. So let's quickly use this as well. So this is how it looks like. You get this kind of applicator. It's a brush applicator, which I generally don't like, but let's use it. Okay, so it was not too difficult to apply, and it has dried down already, so it dries down really quickly and it dries down to a matte finish. The tip is very precise, so you can have a very precise application. Just that it can be a little difficult for beginners since it's a brush applicator. Yeah, I'm happy with the liner actually. Although it's not a felt tip liner, which I generally like, but still the pigmentation is good, the application was not very difficult, and it gives a nice matte finish और काफ़ी जल्दी से dry भी हो जाता है. Now I don't have any kajal from ELF, So let me use some other kajal. Now let's finish up the face makeup. Now for blush, I have this palette from e.l.f. It's their blush palette. I think this palette is not available on Nykaa. I couldn't find it on Nykaa. I got this one also from the US, so I'll be using this only. So you get this 4 shades in this blush palette, and it's a very nice palette. You get this full size mirror as well. This one is in the shade light. I think there are 3 variants, light, medium, dark. I'm not very sure, but I think so. So let's use this. So let's use this shade. I think this will go good with the eye look. There's a lot of kickback. Actually ये palette मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से है, but मैंने इसको ज़्यादा use नहीं किया. I think I've used it like once or twice maybe. It's a nice nude coral shade. Yeah, looking beautiful. Goes perfectly with the eye look actually. As I told you, I wanted to try their primer infused blush and I'm waiting कि वो कब launch करेंगे इंडिया में, because मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे reviews सुने हैं वो primer infused blush के. I'll try if I can get it from US otherwise, because I want to try that. Next for highlighter, I have this highlighter from e.l.f. It's their shimmer highlighting powder. I think this one is also not available on Nykaa. Again, I got this from US. You get 8 grams of product in this, and I have the shade Straight Glow. I don't have the highlighter which is available on Nykaa, so I'll use this one only. This is how it looks from inside, and you get this full size mirror as well. So that's what happens like whenever any US based brand launch in India. They generally don't launch all the products, they launch only selective products. I don't know why. So it's a beautiful highlighter anyway. Now I'll quickly set my face using the same MAC Fix Plus. I'll use the same highlighter to highlight my brow bones as well. I don't have any mascara from e.l.f. so I'll be using this mascara from Maybelline. It's their Total Temptation mascara. I have not used this much on camera. Now for lipstick, I have this lipstick from e.l.f. So this is their Seriously Satin lipstick, and the shade which I got in this lipstick is, I'm not able to find out. Let's see if it is written on the inner packaging. Oh, okay, it's written here only. The shade is Nectar. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this clear plastic packaging. Packaging is not very good. Like it's little flimsy, but the shade is really pretty. So this is the shade. So let's apply this. So this might not go very well with the eye look. It's a very pretty coral nude shade. I know it's not going well with the eye look, but the shade itself is really good. And it was very easy to apply. It's very creamy, so it was very easy to apply. It's creamy, so obviously it won't be transfer proof. Yeah, it transfers easily and it transfers a lot. And yeah, it has transferred a lot. And the pigmentation was okay. It's not highly pigmented. You'll have to apply 2-3 layers to get a full pigmentation on the lips, but it feels very comfortable to wear. It has transferred, so let me apply a little bit more. So guys, this is the final look. I just applied a lip liner on top of the lipstick to just fix this mismatch situation, because the lipstick was not going with the eye look. And this is the final look. So yeah, almost like all the products I used to create this look. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मैं ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर चुकी थी तो आई नो कि वो काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करते हैं, लाइक द primer, concealer. So those products are really good. And I tried the foundation. I was little worried about the shade, but the shade worked out really well. And बहुत ज़्यादा oxidize भी नहीं हुआ. Actually मुझे तो लग नहीं रहा है face पे बिल्कुल भी oxidize हुआ है अभी तक. तो the shade was really good and it's feeling really well. All the products applied really easily, really well on top of the foundation. So the foundation is really good. And now apart from that, the powder also was good, but I think it didn't work well under the eyes. My under eye area is creasing a lot. It doesn't happen generally, but it is creasing a lot under my eyes, so maybe the powder didn't work well under the eyes at least. Now after that I tried the bronzer. I actually didn't like the bronzer because it was too orange for my liking. So I think the bronzer is no for me. The formula was good. It was applying very easily. It was not patchy or anything. The pigmentation भी काफी अच्छी है. But the color, I'm not happy with the color of the bronzer. So yeah, it's not for me at least. The blush palette was really good. It applied so easily. It's very nicely pigmented and very easy to blend. The highlighter is good and this eyeshadow palette was actually really good. You get only 4 shades. I know there are not many options here and you can't create a lot of looks, but still you can create multiple looks with this eyeshadow palette, and it's very travel friendly palette. If you are traveling and if you don't want to carry a full palette with you, you can totally carry this and will be sorted. And this eye look turned out really good. I'm happy with the eyeliner and the lipstick as well. It's very comfortable. So yeah, almost all the products worked really well. I'm just not happy with the price point of e.l.f. products on Nykaa. It's very expensive. Like when it was launching in India, I was very excited because it's a very good brand. बट जो प्राइजेस हैं वो नायका पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा हैं. आई नो जो यूएस बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट होते हैं जब वो इंडिया में लॉन्च होते हैं उनकी प्राइसेस जनरली बढ़ जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्पोर्ट ड्यूटी एंड ऑल अदर थिंग्स. बट e.l.f. के प्राइसेस कुछ ज़्यादा ही हैं. मतलब Maybelline and Wet n Wild are also US based brands, but when they launched in India, उनके प्राइस स्टिल रीजनेबल हैं. दे आर स्टिल इन ड्रग स्टोर कैटेगरी. बट जो e.l.f. के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, यू कांट से दैट these are drugstore products because this foundation for example retails for 800 rupees. Like most of the products are above 500, even above 600s, and this eyebrow product which I used it retails for what 700 or something, and the primer is 1100. So I think all these products are very expensive. I was expecting them to be little low, so that's why I bought all these products during discounts when they were running offers. Then only I bought this product. So if you want to try these products, if you want to try something from e.l.f. Cosmetics, I would recommend you to buy these products only when there is some discount going on, because otherwise these products are very expensive. So always look for discounts, always look for offers. I generally see कि Nykaa पे offers आते रहते हैं e.l.f. पे, like 20% off आपको generally मिल जाएगा, और buy 2 get 1 free kind of offers. जब इस तरह के offers आए, then only purchase these products because it's a really good brand. All the products, most of the products works really well. So it's a really good brand to try. But look for the prices whenever you are buying these products. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video, this review. I hope you liked it and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.